So I asked ChatGPT this question: from Abuja to Lagos, how many miles? So ChatGPT tells me that the distance from Abuja to Lagos in Nigeria is approximately 343 miles, which is 552 kilometers. When traveling by road, however, please note that this distance may vary depending on the specific route taken and any detour or deviation along the way. Okay, I ask, from Abuja to Lagos, how many hours of journey? The chat GPT tell me that the journey from Abuja to Lagos can take around 8 to 10 hours by road. So it said depending on various factors such as traffic condition, road condition, and the chosen route. It's important to know that travel times can vary and may be longer during peak travel period of period or if there are any unforeseen circumstances. Okay, now I ask this question again: how deep is the Atlantic Ocean? compare compare it by to Abuja compare it by Abuja to Lagos journey. So that the Atlantic Ocean is the ocean where the Titanic ship sank in. So this is the answer ChatGPT gave me. The average depth of the Atlantic Ocean is approximately 12,080 feet, which is 3,682 meters. Now compare it to the Abuja to Lagos journey. It says comparing this depth to the distance between Abuja and Lagos, which is approximately 343 miles, which is 552 kilometers. It is evident that the Atlantic Ocean is significantly deeper than the distance of the journey between the two Nigerian cities. The depth of the Atlantic Ocean is over 36 times greater than the distance between Abuja and Lagos. So can you see it? 32 times. That means Atlantic Ocean, which the Titanic ship sank in, is more deeper than going from Lagos to Abuja. That is 8 hours times 36. Let's look at it. So looking at it, 8 times 36, that is about 288 hours. Wow, 288 hours. That means from traveling from up of the Atlantic Ocean down the deep sea, it's about 288 hours. 288 hours.